Alright, so this is 2.2 example 8. The audio got cut in the first video, so I figured I would just do this one again. We have to sketch the graph. So first thing we could do is determine our end behavior. So we see that this is even, so they're going to go in the same direction, and since our leading coefficient is positive, it's going to go up and up. So it's going to have some type of parabola shape, but since it is x to the fourth power, something funky could go on down here where it's not like our normal parabola. But our end behaviors will be up and up because it's even and it is positive. So now let's find our zeros. So we're finding where our graph crosses the x-axis. So when y is equal to 0, these are going to be our x values. So 0 is equal to 3x to the fourth power minus 4x cubed. We always want to check and see if we have a greatest common factor to start. So both of these are divisible by x to the third power. So we can take out x cubed. So that just stays out front. And then I have 3x minus 4. This is still equal to 0. Once I get here, I can just split it up. So I have x cubed is equal to 0. 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So I know in the first video, I said that this number here tells you how many zeros you're going to get. So here's one of those cases where we won't see all the actual zeros, but since this is x cubed, this is like saying x is equal to 0, x equal to 0, x equal to 0. So this is like 3 answers in one. So then we only have one other answer left to find, which is 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So we're going to add 4 on both sides. 3x is equal to 4. Divide by 3. X is equal to 4/3. So we can go to our graph. We're just sketching it so it doesn't have to be exact. I'm going to cross the x-axis at 0. So one of my points on my graph is going to be at 0, 0. Another point is going to be at 4/3, comma 0. So then my other point, I'm going to go the right 4/3. So that's like 1.25. So it'll be about right here. These are the only 2 points where I cross my x-axis. So I know my end behavior of my graph is going to go up and up. It'll never come back down because we never cross the x-axis again. And then I can just connect my dots in the middle here. So my graph looks a little something like this.